So, I've had this LG C2 that's right behind me now for about 2 weeks, I want to say, maybe 3, and wow, it is just incredible. Now I already got an OLED TV, a 55-inch LG A1, just to the left of me, off frame. Now that is absolutely beautiful. I used to use that for games, as well as watching TV, but the 60Hz isn't really great for gaming. Now I recently just upgraded from the 28-inch Samsung UR55 4K monitor. Now, on paper, for the price, it's a really good monitor. Now, it still is a really good monitor. 4K, 28-inch, it's pretty good. Now, in terms of the work I do quite a bit of video editing, photo editing. You've got to have a good picture quality, not just the resolution. And on that monitor, the colours were terrible. The contrast was really bad as well. The blacks looked really grey. You could tell the backlight was bleeding. It was, to be honest, it was good, but it wasn't perfect for me. So I thought, why not? I want an OLED monitor. Now I was looking around I had about 3 options in mind. I was looking at the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8, the 34-inch ultra wide, and I was also looking at the Dell Alienware AW34 something, you know what I mean, which was both really good options. Now, after debating for a while of which monitor I should go for, I did realise I do like to do a lot of console gaming on my PS5, and an ultra-wide monitor is not good for that because consoles just simply don't support ultra-wide. So this is what led me to the 42-inch C2, and I do not regret my decision whatsoever. Although this monitor is significantly bigger than my previous monitor, the actual space this takes up on my desk is a lot less because the stand that the Samsung monitor had was like a V-shape that came out quite far into the desk, whereas this one has two really small stands, which is perfect for any desk setup. Now it takes up almost no space whatsoever because the feet are so narrow, and you can push it really far back to the wall. Overall, whether you're buying this for a TV or a desk setup, you can't go wrong. You'll probably be able to fit this anywhere. Now, if you are looking to buy this TV as a TV and not a monitor, to be honest, I would say if you in the area you are putting this TV in, if you can fit a 48-inch or a 55-inch TV, absolutely save yourself some money and go for one of the LG ones, because you can get, for around about the same price, if not less, you can get a 55-inch OLED TV, which is significantly bigger, does all the same things, for actually a cheaper price. Now, I would only recommend this TV if you want to use it as a monitor, because it does come a bit of a hefty price of £1,049, unless you particularly want the small size of the TV. I say small, but for an OLED TV, it's the smallest you can go. Now, because this 42-inch is arguably far too big for a monitor already, I didn't want to go to a 48-inch TV, therefore I had to spend a little bit more money to actually get the smaller TV. But yeah, for £1,049, it is extremely expensive. But if you want the best screen technology that's around right now with the OLED, then you're gonna have to pay the big money, and I do not regret this at all. So unboxing this TV was pretty straightforward. The box is absolutely tiny, as you'd expect with this kind of TV, so you can easily unbox this yourself. You don't need 2 people to do this like you would with a bigger TV, which is nice. There's a hell of a lot of wrapping on this, which is very nice to keep it protected, but a bit of a pain to take it all off. The power cable does come attached, so be careful with that, I guess. Don't cut it off for whatever reason, however you might do that. What's nice about this TV as well, it does come with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Now it's fairly easy to get this thing onto the desk as it's light as a feather. Significantly lighter than the A1 I have. That's like a dead weight. But yeah, overall pretty easy to set up. The majority of people should be fine doing this on their own. Now, even though the retail price of this TV is £1,049, you can absolutely find yourself some discount codes or sales where you basically will be able to knock this down by 10-20%. And at that point, it is a really good deal. Because if you look at other OLED monitors like the Samsung Odyssey G8, that one is around about £1,249, as well as the Alienware, which is around about £1,000, so kind of the same price as this one. Now, unlike TVs, monitors very rarely go on sale, so if you are looking to pick one of these up, expect the TV to go down in price a lot more than the monitors will. Therefore, if you are seeing this at full price, it will go down eventually, whereas the monitor just won't. Now moving on to gaming on this display, it is absolutely beautiful. You are getting one of the best gaming TVs out right now, if not gaming monitors. Not only you are getting less than 1 millisecond response time because it is an OLED, you are also getting a 4K 120Hz display, unlike gaming monitors which are usually capped around about 1440p unless you're paying around the same price as this TV. So for gaming, this is beautiful. If you have recently picked yourself up a Xbox Series X or PS5, then this TV will make the most of them two consoles and you will have no complaints at all. Now actually using this as a monitor on a PC or a Mac, in this case on my M1 Pro MacBook Pro 16, it is really good. There's no issues in terms of scaling or anything like that. For me, it works really well. I've had no issues connecting my Mac to this display at all. You are getting it just as good screen quality on this TV as you would be on the MacBook Pro. As you know, the MacBook Pro screen is gorgeous. And same goes with watching films or TV on this. It goes without saying, it's an OLED. You're getting really deep blacks and really vibrant highlights. But overall, it's just a beautiful screen. And at the moment, there is no better TVs out there right now than these latest LG TVs. Now you could argue these QD OLED TVs that are coming out soon are going to be much better. Now I can't comment on that because I've never seen one. So hopefully they'll be really good. My only concern with those is the blooming around logos on a black background, things like that. That's kind of the issue you get with quantum dot technology and mini LED. Whereas OLED, you just don't get that issue whatsoever. But yeah, at the moment, this is the best monitor I've seen right now. And if you've got space for it and you're comfortable with this kind of screen, absolutely by all means go for it. It's gorgeous. You will not regret it at all. Now to end off this video, I will leave a link down below to this TV if you are interested in having a look at it, picking it up, anything like that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Goodbye.